In challenge number 11, we will be limited in two areas. You will not be allowed to use pure white. What does that mean? It means not using the white from the tube as it is on your paper or on your canvas. Of course, you may use white, but you need to mix it up with either a brown or a black or a gray or a green or some other color that can create different shades of white. You can still have something that looks white but have more like a yellow sheen or a green sheen or a brown, and also depending on the shadows and the surrounding colors. Later we will look at a picture that will show you exactly what I mean with this. The second challenge is not to use pure black. And what I mean by that is the same in that you're not allowed to use black from the source or from the tube. It's a little different because you cannot use the black at all from its source or from the tube. Well, with white you can, as long as you mix it up a bit. But you cannot mix black up a bit. You will lose its darkness if you mix white into it or something else. So the challenge here is a little different. You might ask yourself, how will I create darker colors on my canvas, on my paper, if I cannot use black? What will I do? Remember when we talked about complementary colors, the colors on the opposite ends of the color wheel? Now, if you mix those, like yellow and purple, you get black. If you mix red and green, you get black. And if you mix blue and orange, you get black. There are reasons for this, as they don't have each other inside them, which is a terrible explanation, but what it means is that you cannot use yellow with any other color to create purple, or you cannot use red with any other color to create green. They don't have any of the similar pigments inside themselves that is in the other color. And that's why when you mix them, it's almost like you don't get a color and you get black. And with each one of them, the black will have a different sheen to it, like maybe more gray or more blue or more purple, but it will be a very, very dark color that would appear black. So that would be the challenge. Let me show you a picture. In this picture, we can see how the artist used a lot of white, but it's not really pure white. If you look carefully, it's some of the white have yellow in it, some of it have brown in it, some of it have green in it, to create these different shades and shadows of white. So that's one half of your challenge. And if you look at the trees and the darker parts in the painting, you will see how it looks like black color, but it's not pure black. Like with the trees, they can use the green from the trees and add bits of red to create really dark shadows. And that will be your challenge. No pure white and no pure black.